This video is specifically for online business owners, and I especially want to talk to digital marketers and digital affiliate marketers. It's slightly the same thing, but it's also not. So what you want to do is, because we rely, especially these videos and things that we do, we rely a lot on ourselves to shoot these videos. Look, it doesn't take a lot of time. I mean, it takes me 20 minutes and I can shoot a whole week worth of videos ahead of time. But what you want to do is you want to find a business model that can literally run itself and sustain itself with you not having to be there. You just have to set it up, plug it in, and it will basically run on autopilot. Now, that is something that we do right here at EmpireDigest.com. It's a done-for-you business in a box, a business model. And all you need to do is drive people, visitors, eyeballs to your business, which we also teach you to do. So if you want to know more, give this video a like and just leave me a comment. Show me how.